A lot of people think that they have a YouTube problem. They think they need better thumbnails, better titles, better gear, or the perfect strategy. But let me keep it real with you. Most creators do not have a YouTube problem. They have a clarity problem. They have a commitment problem, and they may even have an identity problem. And until you fix those, no strategy will save your YouTube channel. Today, I want to break down why most channels never grow and what you need to do to change your entire trajectory in the next 30 days. Let's start with the truth. YouTube does not grow your channel. You grow your channel, your consistency. When your channel is small, the algorithm is not your enemy, right? The algorithm is neutral. It is simply mirroring your clarity or your confusion. If your content is scattered, if it's all over the place, your views will be scattered. If your niche is unclear, your audience will be unclear. If you do not know who you are as a content creator, the platform will not know who to send your videos to. Growth always begins with identity. You need to be able to answer one question with absolute confidence. Who am I on this platform? Not who you want to be someday. Who are you today? Are you a mentor? Are you a teacher? Are you a guide? Are you an entertainer? Once you know who you are, the next question is pretty simple. What avatar, what population am I serving with these videos? Not everyone, not the whole world, not hoping something magically goes viral, which can break your channel, by the way. Speak to the one person who needs your voice. Create for the viewer who is searching for a guide. Build for the one person who feels stuck and needs the message that you're about to deliver. And that, my friend, is where growth begins. Now let's talk about clarity, because clarity is the difference between a channel that moves and a channel that dies. Clarity means your content is predictable. It's not boring. Your audience should know exactly what they're going to feel and learn every time they click your video. When someone watches Coach Court's channel, they know they're going to get relationship psychology and grounded truth. When someone watches your channel, what do they expect? If you can't answer that question, your channel will not grow, and that's just flat out. But consistency is the next shift. Most people think consistency means posting every day. It doesn't mean that. It means creating a system you can sustain, a rhythm that matches your energy, a schedule that does not burn you out or make you resent the process. The most successful creators are not the ones who post the most. They're the ones who can stay long enough to get good at what they're doing. Now let's talk about content itself. Growth comes from conversations. You have to speak the language your audience is already thinking. You have to understand their fears, their frustrations, their dreams, and their pain points. If your videos do not answer a question your viewers are already asking, your channel will not grow. And you need to show them that your content is a solution they have been searching for all across these channels. I want you to think about the last 5 channels you subscribed to. You did not subscribe because they existed. You subscribed because they helped you. They taught you something. They made you feel something. They solved a problem you could not solve on your own. That's exactly what you need to do with your channel. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a business, and business rewards those who take it seriously, right? Your titles need to be intentional, your thumbnails need to be emotional, your messages need to be clear. But the part that no one's talking about, your pacing needs to keep people's attention. You need to keep the audience retention. Your editing needs to respect your viewers' time. You don't want all these flashy things going around. This is why you won't see that on this channel. And most importantly, your mindset needs to match the goals you say you want. If you're trying to grow a channel, understand this. YouTube will test you. It will make you question your calling because most of the time you will be invisible. But it is also the place where 1 year of committed effort can change your life forever. I've seen it, I've done it. And your job is to keep showing up with clarity, purpose, and identity. Your job is to get 1% better every time you upload a video. It's like Mr. B say, I just want to try to make the best videos possible every single time. Your job is to speak directly to the person who needs you the most in that moment. Because when you do that, YouTube stops being a guessing game. It starts to be predictable and repeatable. Your audience stops feeling uncertain about you, and growth becomes the natural outcome of a creator who finally knows who they are. Thank you guys for stopping by the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.